nice. At SRMA 40 amps. Max out 40 amps. Ito na sa Elejoy. Max out yung bag. 13 amps. Tatlong Busca 160 watts naka-series for 80 watts total. Naka 13 amps. Kabilang side kasi ito ng bubong. Ito, naka-front talaga to sa araw ngayon. Wow. Thank you. Good morning and God bless. Time check. Anong oras na ba? 10:44 in the morning. 10:44 a.m. Blessed day everyone. God bless.